In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a witness signature in DocuSign. If you're new to DocuSign or looking to explore its advanced features, you've come to the right place. We'll go through each step in detail to make sure you have a comprehensive understanding of how to add a witness signature, ensuring your documents are sealed with the utmost precision and professionalism. Let's start by focusing on templates, a crucial feature for efficiently managing regular documents. On your DocuSign homepage, direct your attention to the Templates section, usually located on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you locate it, click on it, which will navigate you to a creative space where you can design and manage templates. This is particularly useful for documents you use repeatedly, saving you time and ensuring consistency. Here, you'll want to click on Create Template. This option allows you to define the core structure of your document where all the necessary fields and signatures, including a witness signature, can be neatly organized. Once your template canvas is open, scroll down until you find the Add Recipient section. This is a pivotal step because it's where you define who will be part of this document process. In this section, you'll need to enter key details for each participant, specifically the role they play, such as signer or witness, along with their name and email address. This information is vital as it ensures that the right people have access to the document and can engage with it in the manner you've set up. Accuracy here is crucial, so double-check the entered details to avoid any delays or errors. At this point, you might find that you require more people to be involved in the document. Whether it's additional signers, approvers, or witnesses, adding them is simple. Look for the option to Add Recipient and select it. This will allow you to repeat the previous step, adding more participants to your template. Tailor each role according to its necessity, whether they need to be a signer or a recipient of a carbon copy, and ensure all necessary parties are included. And there you have it. You've learned how to set up a witness signature within a DocuSign template. This setup not only helps streamline the document signing process, but also ensures that all formalities are duly met with every signature accounted for correctly. By following these steps, you can maintain high standards of business professionalism and enhance the efficiency of your document management. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with DocuSign, you'll be well equipped to handle digital document processes with confidence. Thank you for tuning in, and happy signing.